Oh, you didn't hear Carl. You
I
didn't
did.
hear Carl. Oh wow. What the heck?
Bro.
Messed up. Poor guy.
I fucking knew I heard it.
Didn't even get a chance to say goodbye. Seriously, poor guy. All he hears is the car driving and then it just stops. Just stop. The car just stops and I guess that means he died.
He died. Oh god. That's so sad.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all are messed up. You didn't even make it to this destination.
You would have done the same, and you know it.
That is true. He would have literally done the same shit. Oh my god, dude.
It's not, I don't make the rules.